Welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 14th to the 18th of April 2025 on Monday. As Molapo speculates about the cause of the fire, a guilty Keleto confesses a cigarette she was smoking caused the fire on Tuesday. Mrs. revealed to Faith that in addition to losing Harriet and Ayanda, Pearl also broke up with him. He accuses them all, including Nkosi, of judging him by his past and treating him like a villain on Wednesday. While waiting for Faith's arrival, Nkosi and Ona panics when they learn from Pearl that Faith arrived at the collective and then left without seeing them on Thursday. Shoki worries as a stressed out Nkosi rail about Faith's unapologetic return to the collective. Shoki suggests they move out of the mansion so he doesn't have to see Faith and Sizzy all the time on Friday. Ona comes close to telling Isaac about Faith and Sizzy refusing to leave the collective, but pulls back at the last meeting. She later confides all to Molefe, who agrees that she was right not to tell Isaac. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.